Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's practice is a practice to help you with positive mental health. So we're going to begin today by lying on our backs. When you come down, I invite you to land completely. Bring your palms facing up alongside your body. And let's take 3 deep breaths here, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Bring your right knee into the chest, bring your left knee into the chest. And we're just going to rock a little left and right here, getting a nice massage on the low back. Taking your arms out to the side, deep breath in. As you exhale, allow your knees to fall to the left. Inhale up with control, and knees fall to the right. Inhale up, one more time each side. And back through, hug the knees in. Taking our hands to the backs of our thighs, we're gonna rock and roll up. Take your feet around, we'll come into tabletop. Bringing your knees under your hips, wrists under your shoulders, gazing straight down between your hands. Landing here, connecting with the crown of your head and the tip of your tailbone. See if you can lengthen the spine here, making room between the vertebrae. And on your next inhale, you drop your belly, bring your chest forward, come into cow pose. Exhale, tuck the tail and round. Following your breath here. Don't worry about going too deeply into the postures. And finding neutral spine. Bring your knees wide to the edge of your mat, making our way into child's pose. Big toes touch. Send your hips back to your heels. Walk your hands forward and drop your forehead down. Option to place your forehead on a block or on your stacked knuckles. Breathing deeply here. Let's walk our hands to the left Option to take your right hand over your left hand, dropping your head down, feeling a deep stretch along the right hand side. And walking your hands over to the right. Left hand can come to cover the right, dropping your head down. And walking back through center, come back through tabletop. Tuck your toes and send those hips up and back for downward facing dog. Knees can be bent here. You want to really push up through the hands. We'll pedal our feet. Let's find stillness. Take 3 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Take baby steps to the front of the mat. Let's come into a forward fold. Clasp alternate elbows and relax your chest and head down. Option to sway left to right. And slowly allow the hands to rest down. Ground down through the soles of your feet. Root to rise here. Nice and slow. We'll make our way standing in Tadasana, palms facing forward, shoulders rolled back. Closing down your eyes here, lowering your gaze, tuck chin to chest. Relax your shoulders, relax your hips. Feel the connection of the mat beneath your feet. And as we take a few rotations of breath here on the inhale, I want you to imagine the breath coming up and over the front body and moving down the back body, rooting you to the earth, helping you feel grounded and present. On your next inhale, bring your hands up overhead, palms together, bring them down through the midline. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, and this time exhaling, follow your hands down, forward fold. Inhale, catch a wave, half lift. Let's take our hands onto our thighs, push back, opening the shoulders, feeling space between the vertebrae. Take 1 more deep breath here. And exhale, plant your hands, step to plank. Let's come belly to cobra and push back into that child's pose. Knees can be together this time. Take 1 rotation of breath here. And coming all the way up to seated. You can stay on your knees with a little bit of space in between, or you can come out into hero's pose, bringing your feet out beside you. Whatever feels good here for you. Taking your hands to your heart, dropping in, coming to the breath, relaxing down through the shoulders. And now we're just going to repeat some helpful affirmations. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of happiness. I practice self-love. I deserve love. I deserve kindness. I deserve peace. Let's take a deep breath in to seal in those affirmations. Exhale. Send your hands behind you. Bring your feet out in front. Let's come all the way down to our backs. Coming in to Shavasana, your final resting pose. Coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath. Wiggling fingers and toes, rocking your head side to side. I invite you to roll over onto whichever side feels good, bringing the bottom arm to cradle the head. And taking a few rotations of breath here. And pushing yourself up to seated. When you are ready, joining me in easy pose. We'll bring our palms together, feeling that warmth we generate between the palms of our hands, our energy, our prana, and placing that over your heart, giving that back to yourself, taking a deep breath in and out to close our practice. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. If you have enjoyed this practice, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you're struggling, I'm going to leave some free resources and help for you in the description below. You are not alone. Keep going. Take sweet care. Bye for now.